Hello everyone, in this video I will show you best affiliate program in 2025. So let's start the video. So basically affiliate program is a marketing strategy where people promote company's product or services in exchange for commission. So number 1 is Adobe affiliate program. If you are a content creator, you can make tutorial videos on this and you can add affiliate link in your video description. And when people will click on it, you will get commission. Here is list of Adobe stock commission. As you can see, monthly subscription $43. If you want to work on Adobe affiliate program, simply just click on apply now and you will get your affiliate link. You can use that link on your YouTube or any social media platform. Number 2 is NordVPN. NordVPN is a VPN where you can join affiliate program. And here's your commission. 1 month offer. New sign up 100%. Renewal 30%. And here's 1 year offer. New sign up 40%. Renewal 30%. You just have to create your account and get your affiliate link and promote it, and you'll get your commission. Number 3 is Canva. Canva has affiliate program. You can simply just make tutorial on Canva and you can use your affiliate link in your video's description and you will get your commission. You just simply have to sign up your account and get your affiliate link. Number 4 is Amazon. Amazon is a platform where you will get affiliate link of the product, and when people will buy that product from your link, you will get your commission. You just simply have to sign up your account and copy the affiliate link of the product and promote it on your social media or your YouTube channel, and you will get your commission. Every product commission is based on the product. So these are the best affiliate program in 2025. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more helpful videos.